Welcome back to Bike Review Hub, your go-to source for honest, in-depth two-wheeler reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560, one of the most premium maxi scooters on the market. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend cruiser, this machine is turning heads for all the right reasons. Let's find out if the new TMAX 560 lives up to the hype and whether it's worth the price tag Yamaha is asking for in 2025. Design and styling sporty meets sophisticated. Yamaha has given the 2025 TMAX 560 a subtle but meaningful design refresh. The scooter looks more aggressive than ever with its angular LED headlights, sharp front fairing, and a more aerodynamic silhouette. The updated color palette includes bold matte finishes and a few exclusive shades for the TMAX variant. The twin projector-style headlights, signature T-shaped tail light, and redesigned mirrors make it feel more like a sport touring bike than a traditional scooter. It's big, muscular, and undeniably premium. Engine and performance smooth yet powerful. Under the sleek bodywork lies the heart of the TMAX, a 562 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that's €5+ compliant. It delivers around 47 horsepower and 55.7 Nm of torque, which is more than enough for zipping through urban streets and comfortably cruising on the highway. The CVT transmission remains buttery smooth, and the throttle response is even more refined this year. Whether you're taking off from a red light or overtaking on a country road, the TMAX 560 feels confident and responsive. Ride and handling scooter comfort, motorcycle feel. One of the strongest suits of the TMAX has always been its riding dynamics. The 2025 model continues that tradition with updated suspension tuning, featuring 41mm upside-down forks and a rear monoshock. The result? A plush, stable ride that soaks up bumps while still feeling sporty. The low center of gravity and wide tires provide excellent balance. Cornering feels natural, and it's surprisingly nimble for a scooter of its size. Yamaha has managed to strike a rare balance between comfort and fun. Technology and features loaded with premium goodies. This is where the TMAX 560 really stands out. The TMAX version comes loaded with high-end features including 7-inch full-color TFT screen with smartphone connectivity, full keyless ignition system, cruise control, heated grips and heated seat, electronically adjustable windshield, traction control and riding modes. You even get navigation support via Yamaha's MyRide app. It's as close as it gets to having motorcycle tech on a scooter platform. Braking and safety confidence at every stop. With dual 267mm front discs and a single 282mm rear disc, the braking performance is sharp and confidence-inspiring. ABS is standard, as expected in this class. Yamaha has also refined the traction control system for better grip in wet or loose conditions. You can really feel the improvements when riding in bad weather or on slippery roads. Comfort, ergonomics built for long rides. The seat on the TMAX 560 is wide, plush, and well contoured for both the rider and passenger. The riding position is upright and natural, with ample legroom even for taller riders. Thanks to the adjustable windscreen and heated features, it's built for year-round comfort. The underseat storage is decent, easily swallowing a full-face helmet and a few extras, though it's not class-leading. Fuel economy and practicality respectable for its class. Given its engine size, the TMAX delivers around 50 to 55 miles per gallon, 21 to 23 km/L, depending on your riding style. The 15-liter fuel tank offers decent range, making it suitable for longer rides without frequent stops. The scooter also includes a center stand and side stand for convenience, and the build quality feels solid enough for years of regular use. Price and variance: premium price for a premium ride. The 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560 isn't cheap. Prices start at around €13,500 / £12,000 / $15,000 depending on the market, and go higher for the TMAX version. But you're not just paying for a scooter. You're investing in a feature-rich, performance-focused two-wheeler that bridges the gap between luxury, utility, and sport. Pros and cons quick recap. Sporty, aggressive design. Strong performance and handling. Excellent tech features. Comfortable for long rides. Great safety features. Premium pricing. Limited storage compared to other Maxi scooters. Not ideal for shorter riders due to its size. Final verdict: who is the TMAX 564? The 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560 is not for everyone. It's not your average city scooter. But if you want a machine that offers the thrill of a motorcycle, the comfort of a cruiser, and the practicality of a scooter, this is your ride. It's built for enthusiasts who want top-tier tech, premium comfort, and serious performance in a sleek, urban-friendly package. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560. Let us know in the comments what you think of this Maxi scooter, and whether it's worth the price. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest reviews here at Bike Review Hub. Catch you on the next ride.